For my developmental pathway, I chose to base it off of the classic game of Super Mario Bros., specifically the 1985 version. So this is the developmental pathway, as you can see here. We have the mushroom, which promotes the transcription of regular Mario. The mushroom acts as an activator to regular Mario because it gives him the strength to grow bigger. Next is regular Mario, which enables the transcription of Super Mario. So this again is an activator process because without regular Mario, you wouldn't be able to unlock the code for Super Mario. Bowser blocks Princess Peach, so he acts as a repressor towards her. Luckily though, we have Super Mario, who is able to defeat Bowser and get to Princess Peach, which thus saves the world. The transcription of Super Mario is able to repress Bowser with the use of his fireballs in order to get to save Princess Peach. The way that I remember the difference between an activator and a repressor is that an activator is one that enables or promotes the transcription of a gene or character, as in my example, whereas a repressor is one that blocks transcription or disables the effects of a gene. So for an activator, just think, are we getting something out of it? And for a repressor, are we not getting anything out of it? So here's the developmental process in action. We have Baby Mario getting the mushroom, which then enables the transcription of regular Mario, which then now we have Super Mario. Here's Super Mario going to defeat Bowser, who is blocking Princess Peach. Bowser is blocked or repressed, which then enables Super Mario to save Princess Peach. Now with the developmental pathway, there could be a single mutation. For this one, Bowser was defeated by Mario's brother Luigi. So now he isn't in the developmental pathway anymore. Thus, if we don't have anyone blocking Princess Peach anymore, Super Mario is able to go ahead and save Princess Peach, which thus saves the world. We can also have double mutations. So for this one, while in battle, Super Mario was able to take out Bowser, but then ultimately had too much damage and couldn't survive. So now, not only is Bowser out of the pathway, but so is Super Mario. However, even though these two are missing, Princess Peach is still able to be saved by regular Mario since Bowser is not there to block her.